Before Volvo Trucks releases a new truck model on the market, it undergoes a series of tough tests. The FMX is no exception. At the Harlered Proving Ground, Volvo's test facility outside Gothenburg, the new construction truck has been subjected to some particularly rough treatment.
Here we verify that the product fulfills every requirement that we have put on the truck. So this is the final testing on physical parts.
Jag ska köra in och köra genom vattenrännan här. Du får ju upp vatten över hela chassit och alla elektronikeneter som sitter runt omkring på motorn och se om det kommer bli något vatteninträng någonstans då.
The FMX has been put through its paces in what's known as an accelerated life cycle test.
For durability, we have really tough requirements that the truck should fulfill a vehicle lifetime, which is about 15 years of usage.
The test drivers operate in shifts round the clock throughout the test period. The tests are repeated over and over again. The vehicle's expected lifetime of 15 years and 2 million kilometers is compressed into just 6 months. Drivers with professional experience are a vital asset in these tests.
Det är ju bra att komma utifrån, om man säger. Komma ifrån ett åkeri eller transportbranschen. Och komma mycket med inflytande och idéer och synpunkter. Kommer 20% backen, kör fram, I-shiften växlar och tar själv rätt startväxel här. Jag får göra den, alla handbromsen och så gör den start och vi åker upp. Det här är ju inga problem för denna bilen.
The tests to which the FMX was subjected were tougher than those undertaken by any previous model. In addition to the regular test regime, the new model was put through some additional challenges, all so as to ensure that it truly meets the standards imposed by demanding construction operations.
Right behind me here you can see the truck coming on the construction track. Here we verify the static load. It's a lot of frame twisting and axle and wheel suspension that get tested. Very tough.
Här kan du trötta ut den. Det vränger och vrider i axlar och ramen och hyttupphängning. Och så här är du, ser du på byggena.
Volvo Trucks is convinced the result is a vehicle that easily meets and exceeds the demands of the world's construction sites.
We are very proud to launch this product, and I really believe that we have succeeded in creating a robust and reliable product for the construction customers.